Hi, welcome to day 6 of our 30 Days to Clutter-Free Living Challenge. Today we are decluttering our linen cabinets or closets or extra shelf in your closet, wherever you're storing all of your extra linens. So in our house, we do have a small linen cabinet that's in our upstairs hallway. So these cabinets. And then we also have like throw blankets kind of spread throughout the house. The kids have some stuff in each of their rooms, so I'm gonna go through the whole house, look at all the towels, sheets, throw blankets, picnic blankets, anything that's a textile. And ideally, I'm gonna get everything into one place. People always ask how many extra sets they should have of stuff. We actually don't keep a lot of extra sheets in our house. I prefer just to do laundry and put them back on again. But for all of the kids and the guest rooms, they all have a queen size bed. So we do have, I think, 2 extra sets of sheets, but everything is just all white. They're all the same, so everything's very interchangeable. It makes it super easy for me and for them, and nothing gets confused. But let's make sure that we haven't added anything that we don't need, and I know we have a lot of extra towels, so let's start decluttering. Okay, here's the inside of these cabinets. I'm gonna take all the sheet sets apart, make sure that they're still full sets, that there's no stains, everything looks good. That pillow, I'm not even sure what that goes to, so that will probably go. And I know we have lots more towels to fill in this space. We need to go find them. This is my list of books that I already want to read for next year. Some extra throw pillows. Those are all kind of beach blankets, and then somebody, not me, probably folded these 2 blankets and shoved them back in. So we'll refold, make sure everything's all nice and tidy, and then go find everything that's spread throughout the rest of the house. Okay, I went through everything, found some more towels, refolded some things, and we still have space to grow. This is where our winter comforter will go when we come back into the hot season again. Looking good. See you tomorrow.